excited about the rental? No. Like I said, it used to be all bushes. Cheaped out on us. I try to teach my kids not to drink this shit. Is this a failure? Does this fail? Gross. It's gross, son. Okay. Have you ever walked into Disney with nobody around? Just walking in on a monorail by yourself? Kind of ridiculous. Eerie, as it were. Bunch of smudgeons. Macy's banging and clanging.
So you're looking at me. Let's focus on not putting our mouth on everything.
Focus on that.
Sit tiger, let's do this, and I'm fine.
Focus on that. I said focus on that. Try not to bring any sicknesses home.
Yeah, let's all focus on not putting our face on things that
like that.
touching.
How many people would they touch the rail on the monorail? Oof, that's rough. We got on the Epcot monorail, so now we're on the boat, and it's freezing.
Really? Okay.
It's freezing.
You don't want this?
It's freezing. But anywho,
He doesn't want it.
here we go. Woo! Might be the most excited the kids have ever been to be at a theme park. Huh? Come on, baby. Come on. Mickey's Merry Christmas 2022. We are back. Just getting going, getting in the gates. It's about 5 o'clock. We have all night. Probably the most excited Sawyer's ever been to be at a theme park. Macy as well is happy to be here. She's now tall enough to ride everything. And should be a really fun night. Cold. It's cold. Street, nothing like it. Christmas. Check it out. One time in the 80s, Grandpa was like, I want to go to the old-timey barber shop and I want to get them to cut my hair. And when he did it, they gave him a straight razor shave and he had razor burn all day. And I think it was somewhere in July in Florida. And he was on fire all day.
Yeah, he was sweating all down.
All day long. Germ face. Germ face.
That one, the Mickey Mouse one? Sounds good.
Minnie Mouse. Right now.
We're gonna tie some weights on the bottom. Dad, it's just Minnie Mouse.
Yeah? You gonna get it? Which one you getting?
Again, friends, if we're looking for that park exit, that's going to be all the way towards the right-hand side.
Everybody wristbands for me, get the free wristbands.
She's stoked.
I'm not even sure where they're taking us, but it's this backstage area. And never been back this way before. Just out of Main Street. Oh, Sawyer, what are they giving out? What do we get? Oh, man. You know what that is? Christmas ornament. We're hanging on the tree. It's 2022. Heck yeah. First Christmas ornament of the season. What do you think? First Christmas ornament purchase of the season?
She thinks it's a cookie.
This is a $600 Christmas ornament. It's not a cookie, baby. It's a Christmas ornament. We hang them on the tree. We'll go get cookies, though. Let's do it. Come on, Macy. We are walk-on for Speedway. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, you want me to hold you? Oh, you about your daddies. All about her daddies. I guess I know where she's riding, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, Macy. Oh, Macy. You're gonna drive a car with Daddy? Yeah.
No, it's just that.
You wanna do it, Mommy?
No, Mommy's too big.
Mommy's too big.
Dad is too big, so it's
Yeah. Hang it.
so we want.
Oh, we got this. Whoa, I love that smell. Here we go, Macy. Woo! We got blue. Here, why don't you steer? Drive it. Woo!
No, Dad, I want to ride this one.
Oh, you want to ride a different ride while we're on this ride?
I want this one.
There's the spacecraft from Flight of the Navigator. All right, you got it? All right, you got it. Handle it. Let's go get him. Let's go get Mommy. Oh. Hey, keep it going. Keep it pushing. Whoa. You're doing great, Macy. Get it, girl. Oh, look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel. Get him. People being evacuated from the people mover. Oh, Macy, fireworks. Fireworks. What? That was awesome. So much happening at Disney World right now. Mickey's Merry Christmas. Ride number 2.
Ride number 2.
Dumbo.
Dumbo.
She's just gonna
Waited for
repeat.
like 15 minutes.
She's just gonna repeat what I said.
Well, we waited like 15 minutes in total for 2 rides. That's not bad.
No, it's like 10 minutes in. Ride 2.
God, oh dang! Look at what I'm at. Look, turn around. See, I'm on a helicopter right now.
It's an elephant copter.
Elephant copter. And see these right here? This goes up and this goes down and this goes forward.
He's in charge. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, this is my helicopter, right? Hold it, the higher you'll fly.
Like Lost Boys up in this piece. Take us up, Cap.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't? Not going up?
Why is it not doing it?
I don't know. We're broken. We got the broken one. Got the broken one. Did you get the broken one on purpose?
This one is too broken.
We got a broken one.
Let me ask her. Right there. Ask her that lady.
Boo.
This is all broken.
All right, stop yelling.
Why are we not going?
I don't know. It's the luck of the draw, really. We got it. We're in the air. Oh, right at the end of the ride. Oh, man. Do you feel cheated?
Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah. Ride number 3.
Ride number 3.
Barnstormer. What do you think, Mom?
Makes me stop.
We've got another front row experience. Macy, you ready for this?
Walk on, y'all.
Y'all
Walk
ready for this?
Whoa.
Anywho, it's ride number 5. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Let's do this. What do you think? Ride number 5. Winnie the Pooh. And Tigger probably too.
These wind-treated places will
Oh, the heat.
Oh dear. Oh, it's so windy. Tightly, Rue. Look, Mama, look. I'm a kite.
Rue's blowing away. Ride number 7, Sawyer's first time on Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Stoked! Probably, it says 45. There's no way this is 45. We're walking right into the queue. Probably a 20-minute wait at best. This is sick. Mickey's Merry Christmas, man. The way to do it. Private party. Love you, Sawyer. Hope you're having fun, buddy. I'll just roll you right over to it, and then you can throw it away yourself.
I missed.
What do you mean you missed? Good job. Quick cookie and cocoa stop. And now we're ready for more rides. Mommy did carousel with Macy, so that's technically ride 7? 8? Ride 8. 8 rides through. On to ride 9. Here we go. All right, here we go. Ride number 9. Macy's on with. Oh, he tackled me. What do you want me to do? Hold you? Take this? How do we always get these? It's in my eyes.
Not taste good.
It's in my contacts.
Which one? This one? Which one? What color? Yeah? Okay. What color? Is that blue or green? Want to see orange?
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Here we go. We've done this, huh? You remember this one?
Look at Goofy. Look at Goofy. Hello.
Ride number 10, Haunted Mansion. Macy's first time on the Haunted Mansion. We'll see how it goes. She can't smile. She can't smile. She sort of smiled. Not supposed to smile. She kind of smiled. Statues. They're all the family statues. All the people that died. There's it inside. The ride was held up. This is 10 minutes of our life we can't get back. Swear. It's very nice to see.
Oh yes, and no flash pictures.
No flash pictures. The ghosts hate it.
Spirits are frightfully sensitive.
Oh, these are all new.
Frightfully sensitive.
Whoa, these are different. Never saw that before. Woo! right, here we go. Ride number 11 and the greatest ride of all time. Pirates of the Caribbean. Macy's first time ever. The last time Sawyer was on this ride, he screamed like a banshee. Here we go. Mickey's Merry Christmas 2022. The final ride. What a night. Ride number 11. You liking it, Macy? You had fun tonight? Did you have fun tonight? Good, baby. I love this smell. I love the smell of this ride. It's my all-time favorite. Best ride ever. Here we go. Whoa, is that a cannon shot?
They need a bit of persuasion, mateys. Fire at will!
What do you think, Macy?
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold.
Girl?
We'll never lay eyes on it. Nor this here key, neither.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
All right, there it is. Day 1 in the books. We're gonna go find our house, eat some food. Off to Universal tomorrow. Castle. Happy wife. Stoked.
You don't know with you.
Good morning from our rental. Airbnb. Just took a shower. Kids are up. And, Dad's got to make it to Kissimmee Mussel today. So I think we're bringing the whole family. They're just going to drop me off. They'll go eat some breakfast. And then it's Kissimmee Mussel Day. And then we're going to Universal. Maybe Andretti's. Maybe a little outlet shopping. I don't really know. But we're going to take you along. That way everybody can remember what we did. Good to see you.
What's up? What's up? Another morning. We're still at the house.
We haven't seen the house yet. You got to show them the house.
Oh yeah.
I haven't shown anyone.
Oh guys, this is so cool. You don't believe this. You can't believe this right now. You can't. So in here, there's a game that we can do. Look. There's a game. There's a game in here. If you're watching this episode, hit that thumbs up.
All right, well, here we are. We're off to wherever we're going. Where are we going? Target?
Target, man. Orlando Target.
Orlando
Nothing better.
Target. There is definitely already waits at Universal, but it's a holiday week, so we would expect that. We're just gonna take it slow and get there when our fast passes kick in. We're in no hurry. Let's do this.
Perfect.
No!
Stop yelling. Stop yelling.
Oh, the ebbs and the flows of childhood.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Universal Boulevard.
There you go. What are we doing?
We're going to ride some rides. One more day to Woodpecker.
Yeah, so we're here because this is probably our last chance to ride the Woody Woodpecker ride before they take it all down. Beautiful 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Fast Pass is just engaged.
There's nobody here.
And it seems that there's nobody here, but Mom does have a way of jinxing us. You have been jinxed in the past. Oh, beautiful day. 77 degrees and it's a balmy one. Let's go get some fun. Oh, update, I'm 3 cookies in and we're going to get donuts. Let's go. We can make it till the sun goes down.
Dad, you know what?
What? Oh, gangster.
For ice cream?
Yay.
Yeah? What flavor is Daddy gonna get?
White.
He's gonna get white?
I'm happy vanilla.
Yeah, white is vanilla.
No, that's right.
Can you say vanilla?
Vanilla.
Oh, that's good. Nella?
Mommy,
High five. High five for ice creams. Yeah.
Mama, let me hold that.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Check it in from Universal. Macy's trying to hustle a large ice cream cone. Sawyer thinks he's getting a large. No, we are not. A lot of people leaving, so I'm pretty sure that we'll be all right tonight. We will see. There hasn't been a nap today. No nap equals headbutts, fighting. It's gonna be a long day. Pray for us.
Turning into an all-out shit show here. Ice cream everywhere. Clothes ruined. First ice cream cones. Yeah, we're gonna do Woody Woodpecker. What?
That's right.
So let's go down the slide, Dad.
Probably the last time we ride this ride. It's a classic. 30-minute wait. We got there it was, wishing goodbye to a legend. Woody Woodpecker. We had so many good times. Sawyer's first roller coaster ever. Got him into the mood. That's it. She going bye-bye.
Right here. Go with Zoe. All right, look at the camera, guys. Say cheese.
Macy. Get it. Got it. Nailed it. That's first date material. Hey, all boyfriends and girlfriends, have you ever seen our vlogs? Oh my God, they're gonna hate me for this.
Boys, this will be a pleasant ride without anything evil or nefarious. So please relax and enjoy this.
If you had to guess how many vlogs we feature us on this ride,
Hey,
it would be somewhere in the hundreds.
Guys, we're on another helicopter.
Sawyer's about that helicopter life. Here we go. Let's see if he can get it this time. Think he'll get it? Do it, human! Do it! Next time, let your dog try. This is where you have to get your fix on this side. Nobody here. No, we still have money at home that we haven't brought back to use. They got us for 10 bucks.
Felt the heat on that one. We've never been so close. How was that?
You know, 2 years non-vegan because of Louis. 2 years non-vegan.
On the bus. And the mom went on the bus too.
Picks a gnarly biker, dude. Grandpa David would be proud. Gnarly bike. You know you're part gnarly biker, dude. Did you know that? Yeah, you are.
Decepticons reported in the area. I must defend. Roll out.
So, Mom and Sawyer are on Transformers and it got stuck multiple times. So me and Macy are walking laps. Her demeanor is fading quickly, as you can hear, on the cobblestone road. 2 days in a row of theme parks with little kids is tough for us and them. So as soon as they get out of Transformers, I think we're done for the night. Heading back. These times are awesome. This is what makes and breaks families. Got to go through this to grow through this, right? Love my family, love my kids, love my wife. These trips are fucking awesome. The weather was beautiful. Don't you agree, Macy? When I was a little kid, one of the coolest things about here, and I know Sawyer would love it now because he is an avid Ghostbuster man, was Ghostbusters. The Ghostbusters show used to be right here. And they would come out, and this is the library where they making the move out. It's furious. It's furious. What? In the what?
Men in Black.
No, we're leaving the park right now. This is, yeah, I know, wham. Disney and Universal back to back. And he's whang because he doesn't understand how good a life he's got. Well, I hope one day you realize how good you had it, son. Love you.
Hello, it's morning time today, guys. Welcome back in the third place. This is week third morning. Hold on. This is week third morning. So today we're leaving. We're going to leave the house eventually, and we're going to ride some rides. Today my dad said we're going to ride some go-karts. But subscribe to this channel. I don't know, but let's roll. Go and play a little basketball. Oh, it's starting to get wiggle in here. Alright, here we go. Now you can see, right? Did you saw that, guys? I just made it in there like 3 times in a row.
This is it. Final morning. And we trying to clean up the chaos. With 2 kids and 2 adults is something else. Great weekend, which isn't a weekend. It was Sunday, Monday, but we got some time away from the chaos with our own chaos. But now it's back for Thanksgiving week. We're having 22 people at our house because my wife's crazy. And I gotta go to work all weekend. So that's fun. Back to live music life. These trips are very important. Reset, show love for the children, invest in our inner child as well. And I'm not complacent that the world's not getting increasingly worse day by day. So every trip might be our last trip. We're gonna hit Waffle House because the kids have never been to breakfast hibachi. I'm a covered, smothered, chunked man myself. And Mom, what are you, covered, smothered, capped? Mushrooms. Anywho, we're doing breakfast hibachi. And then some go-karts probably, because I promised Sawyer go-karts. And we're gonna drive back to Vera with these massive balloons. House is awesome. $600 for 2 nights in a 6-bedroom house. Pool, hot tub. Orlando does timeshare as well. It was $1,200 for the contemporary. It was $1,500 for the Polynesian. Or it was $600 for an Airbnb, all to ourselves.
Hotels lose.
Hotels lose. My shoulders are very sore. I can't hold the camera up today because I hit it so hard yesterday. Macy had to get an FAO Schwartz suitcase yesterday. Where's your suitcase, baby? What do you got to say to the people?
And then country kitchen.
Country kitchen, I like it. Quote of the show.